Yeah. And Chris, before we even get to the power outages, right now we have some flooding that is ongoing in different water tributaries across the metro. These photos came in to us from an 11 Alive viewer who's in Brookhaven along North Peachtree Creek. We've been talking about North Peachtree Creek for the last 2 hours. This thing went into a flash flood, reached very close to record stage. And this is a look into their backyard. Okay, right along Victor Road. You see this fence right here? This is a fence that is about 6 feet tall. So that gives you a reference. We're looking at 3 to 4 feet, I would say, in their backyard of floodwaters from North Peachtree Creek. So significant flooding is ongoing in Brookhaven right now. We showed you earlier the live image of the water covering over the road, and this is a flash flood. These creeks, these smaller creeks, they're going to get hit first. Then all that water eventually heads into the larger waters, the larger tributaries like the Chattahoochee, and we deal with bigger river flooding as we get into late tomorrow and Saturday. Looks like this one's finally crested. So the latest was about 18.42, just shy of the record from the September 2009 floods, and it looks like it's flattening out a bit. What does that mean? It means the water's going from Brookhaven, flowing further down Peachtree Creek into kind of central and western Atlanta. So we still have our flash flood warnings ongoing. If your phone went off about 20 minutes ago, that's because this warning right here, which is from Roswell down through Sandy Springs, which, by the way, there are now evacuations ongoing in Sandy Springs off of, I think it was Nancy Creek, according to Atlanta Fulton County Emergency Management. There are evacuations ongoing there as well. And then down to the south into Clayton County near Forest Park. This includes kind of close to the Yellow River as well. We've got that flash flood warning with the tag being considerable, because we're starting to see significant flooding. So that's why your phone would have gone off. Rain continues to pour in. As Chris was pointing out, we have a lot of areas here in the metro now with more of that moderate to heavy rain rates, in particular right on top of Atlanta. So Atlanta up to Roswell, east over into Decatur, and then down south into McDonough. And this is lifting westward. So Cobb County, Douglas, I know you've already been seeing some heavy rain. The rain, I mean, it's really, Chris, since landfall, it's picking up in intensity here in a big way in the last, I would say, 30 minutes to an hour. So flooding going to be ongoing tonight. And then the winds pick up as we get past 2 o'clock in the morning or so. And that's when we start to see the power outage numbers really going up.